up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute St. Patrick's Day deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you would need: styrofoam wreath ring, deco mesh, Chanel stems, and a cute centerpiece. Also a hot glue gun and scissors. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You will need to cut your deco mesh into strips. I usually like to use 8 or 9 inch strips. Alright, so I have the deco mesh cut into strips. What I'm going to do next is just roll them. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just make little rolls. I like to squeeze it to keep it closed. We're just going to do this with almost all the pieces. We're going to leave a few pieces unrolled for the end. But just roll, squeeze, and set to the side. On the deco mesh, I have rolled just a normal roll. And then some I'm going to roll at a diagonal just to give them a slight point. Just like that. And some I'm going to keep unrolled because we're going to mesh those together like that. So I have 3 different things going on. So we have the one that's just scrunched together. You have the roll, the normal roll, and then you have the roll with the point. And we're just going to mix all of these together. So you can do whatever variation of the 3 rolls that you prefer. Alright, so once we have that all done, we can start placing the deco mesh on the wreath ring. So I have the piece that I scrunched, and here's how I did that. I just folded in half and then folded in half again. Just like that. And I'm going to hold it more towards the bottom instead of holding it in the center. And then I will take green and just grab hold of that. And also another white. Just grab hold of all of it. Just like that. And I will take my Chanel stem. And I'm just going to tie this around. And notice how I have more on the top than at the bottom. Just twist it around once or twice. Whatever you choose to do. There we go. We're going to make a bunch of bundles just like this. And what we're going to do with them when we're all done, we're going to place them on the ring. Just like so. See, I'm putting it and tying it, twisting it around the back. And then you want the shorter part to be on the inside. So kind of pull it in like that. And we're just going to do that all the way around. And then we'll be able to adjust it and manipulate it a little bit more when we're all done. Alright, so I've done a few more. You can see how it's starting to look. And what I'm doing is I'm alternating the colors, the green and the white, just so it's not green bunched up together. Now if you want to put maybe 3 green and 3 white, you can do that. But I just think the alternating looks really cute. Alright, so I'm all done. You see I have the deco mesh. Different variations. I have some pointed pieces, some that are completely circular, and then I have the open pieces at the back just to give it a little more fullness. You can add more deco mesh if you'd like. You can do solid colors. You can just have fun with this part. Also, I didn't mention at the beginning, you can wrap the wreath ring in deco mesh if you'd like. I mean, it's green, it blends in, so it wasn't a huge deal to me, but you can. That is an option if you're going to use like a different color. You can also add deco mesh on the inside to cover these, but again, they're green, so it's not going to be a huge deal to me. But if you were to do a different color scheme, I would definitely say take some deco mesh and just put a fluffy layer right here. Last thing we're going to do is add the centerpiece. So I'm just adjusting it in the center, and I'm going to take a Chanel stem. This is meant to hang, so I'm just going to use that to my advantage. I'm going to push the Chanel stem through the hole. And this is how I'm going to connect it to the wreath ring. So, place it where we want it. Alright, so once you get that tied down to the back, you can just adjust the deco mesh, make it look nice and fluffy. Again, I used 1 roll of green and 1 roll of white. You can definitely do 2 rolls and make it super thick and poofy. But just adjust it. And there you go. That's how it looks. Again, you can even add Deco mesh around the edge of it, but I think this looks very cute. It's adorable, sweet. All items came from the dollar store. Good. Yep, that's it. Really cute St. Patrick's Day inspired Dollar Tree Deco mesh wreath.